Of course, as soon as I start videoing, the rooster stops crowing. Just when you want him to. There he is. Can you hear that magic morning? And y'all, have you had your cup of shut up and listen yet this morning? That's what I'm doing out here this morning. Hey, this video isn't really a vlog or anything about anything. I just wanted to let people know that Kim Fi is, if he's not on his way here right now, he will be real soon. He's going to be making a trip from back east, Virginia, or, well, I don't remember what state he's from, but he's back down in the deep south, but way back east. Anyway, he's going to be making a trip on out here, and I'm hoping he's going to be putting videos of his journey coming on out here. It'd be awesome to see. So anyway, y'all subscribe to Kim Fi, check out, watch his video. He's going to be coming on all the way out from the East Coast all the way out here to Oregon just to see little old me. And I'm looking forward to having a fire down at the fire pit with Kim Fi, cooking with him and Miss Pam up some roadkill and having a good time. So y'all make sure you get over to Kim Fi's channel, subscribe him, follow his journey, and then when he gets here, you know a little bit about something about him. Bye, y'all.